Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Death Stranding game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now you can type in Death Stranding to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page. You may check out the trailer as well as the reviews. And now scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button. Then click on View My Cart to proceed towards the payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance, or you can also use one of the payment methods within the drop-down menu. Finally, just enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and once the transaction is complete, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation with just a few clicks, and now you can start enjoying the Death Stranding game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Death Stranding game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.